Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can go ahead and unlock your Snapchat account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Google Chrome on your mobile device, and finally go ahead and search for Snapchat support like I'm about to do. Once you have searched for that, you're going to go ahead and tap on the first link, which is support.snapchat.com, and you'll be right over here where you want to simply go ahead and scroll down and then go ahead and tap on troubleshooting right over here. And once you have done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on login and new account troubleshooting right over here. And then you will be right over here on this page where you want to simply scroll all the way down until you find the Snapchat account may be locked right over here, and go ahead and tap on learn what to do if your Snapchat account is locked right over here. And now, as you can see, it will basically tell you the reasons that your Snapchat account will be locked over here. And what you want to do is simply go ahead and scroll all the way down until it says need help with something else, and go ahead and tap on yes. And once you have done that, as you can see, you're going to be on this page right over here. And over here, what you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on what you want your help with, or you can also go back to this page and then you can simply go ahead and try tapping on this try unlocking your account right over here. And then you'll have to go ahead and sign in into your Snapchat account, and you'll be on this page once you have signed in. And all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this unlock tab right over here, and then it will ask you the reason like why your account was locked, and then make sure you put the reason as your account was hacked and you didn't know what happened through your account. Because if you went ahead and did some like policy violation, they will never unlock your account unless if it's not you. So just go ahead and type that your account was hacked, and then that's how the policy violation happened. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.